Welcome back, fourth standard children. In maths class, already we have done first and second question of lesson number 5, the way the world looks. And third question I have given you in activity. I hope all of you have done this activity. This was the activity. The top view of classroom is shown below. Write the name of the empty boxes of the classroom object shown by the arrows. I hope this one, these are doors and windows, and this one blackboard and this table you might have written in your notebook or workbook. Now we are going to start question number 4, children. Here question number 4. The following things in the picture given below looks wide uh, and big from one end but narrow and small at the other end. Why? Children, you have seen these are big at the front end and going to narrow at the other end. Why these are going to narrow at the other end? What is the reason behind that? Here also these are big and broad at front end, and these are the this is reflecting, this picture is depicting that this is they are going to show is very far place. If you are drawing this type of picture, children, okay, if you have to draw a road very big, so you will draw like this. Suppose I am drawing here, I am showing you what it is reflecting here. You just wait. Okay, if we have to show a very uh, far road, so what we will do, we will draw trees on the sides of, okay, here big trees, and then we will start showing small trees. Okay, and this is the way. So what this type of pictures are roughly I have drawn for you to tell you what is the meaning of this type of drawing. This is showing that a very far distance. Okay, this is reflecting that a very far distance, you may write like that. And now question number 5, match the top view of the girl doing yogasana with the appropriate option. Okay, so you can understand which hand she is holding, and which leg is going back, which leg is front, and you have to match from the given figure given below. Okay, you yourself can do same way, children. The question number 5, in which of the following pictures are balls upside down? Very simple. Upside down matlab ulta, inverted. So this one is deeper showing this one upside down. Okay, so you can do yourself. Now question number 7, match the pair on the basis of the side view and top view of the following. Okay, you have to match this. If you will take this type of shape, and you will, as this is a page shape of page paper, and when you will fold, then what will be formed? A cylindrical thing will be, cylindrical object will be formed. So what will be formed? This will be formed. And number 2, this is this type of shape, circular shape is reflecting. So one is going to match with third, and second picture is going to match with fourth. And this one I have drawn already for you, children, so that the time will not be wasted. I have drawn here and colored, so that now draw the side view and front view of the shoes as shown below. Here, because I am not very good in drawing, so I have drawn earlier. So top view, this one side view, you see this side will be reflected. I have not completely light color, I was not having, so I have done here darker color. Okay, children, so this, otherwise in your this one lighter color was there. So this is side view and this is front view. Same way I have not done the light color, and otherwise we have done sorry, uh, we can do here darker color, but if I am doing that, then you will not be able to see the laces. Okay, so what I have done, okay, children, so laces we have to show 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I have not only to show you this type of the front view will come. I hope you understood. Now next one, answer the following question on the basis of the picture given below. Okay, here the picture is given below. I will read the question. This is question number 9. I will read the question. And first question here, which gate is nearest to the sweet shop? This is sweet shop they have given. Yes. So which gate is nearest to the sweet shop? This one, this gate. Okay, nearest to the. So what will be the answer? Gate A. Okay, A gate will be nearest to the sweet shop. Now question number 2, which gate is nearest to the Gappu's house? First of all, we have to find out where the Gappu's house, this one. Okay, Gappu's house. So which one is nearest? So this one, gate C is nearest to the, so nearest to the Gappu's house. What we will write? Gate C. Not incomplete, you have to write word gate. Okay, gate like that also. Now when Suhasini entered the park, okay, the flower bed was, from which gate did she enter? Okay, flower bed was to her right side, right, sorry, I did not read, to her right. From which gate did she enter? Okay, we will see here from where flower bed they have shown. This is flower bed, obviously. Okay, right side, so this will be this gate, not this one. She will enter, flower bed is there, so gate D. I hope you understood. So here will come gate D, children. Okay, so question number 3, D gate. Okay, now to which side of your will be bench, will the bench be if you enter from the gate? Okay, so if you will enter from the gate B, gate B, gate B. Where is gate B? You have to find out. Gate B, this one. So, okay. So, what will be the answer? Bench. Okay. Obviously, when we are going, this one bench is there. So, what will be the left side? Answer will be left side. Option A, left side. Okay, and question, which of these is nearest to you if you enter from the gate C? And then what is, if we are moving, we are entering from gate C, what is this? This is, what is this? Okay, you have to see what is this you have drawn here. Children may sit here, here, here. What is this? Seesaw. What is this called? Seesaw. Option D. Okay, now same way, 6th, you see, to which side of yours will be sweet shop be if you enter from gate A? Gate A से enter करते हैं तो किस side पे sweet shop आती है? Okay, so which side? What they asked? To which side of your will be the sweet shop if you enter from gate A? Gate A से enter करना है. Okay, gate A. If the gate A, then this is right side. If we are entering like that, so what will be the answer? Right side. This option will be your answer. Now next one, which of these in is nearest to you if you enter from gate D? गेट डी से एंटर करें तो क्या आता है सबसे पास में? गेट डी क्या है? Obviously flower bed will come, just opposite of that they have written. Okay, so what will be? Flower bed. This will be your answer. I hope you understood, children. So what is left now? Question 10 is activity, children, again. So same way, answer the following question on the basis of the map given below. As I talked about this map, you have to do in homework this one also. Okay, I hope you can do this one. Okay, question number 10th you can do, and 11th I will explain you do in homework, and we will meet in the next class now.